Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to clear your page search history on the Facebook app while using your PC, based on the latest update. Keeping your search history private is important, and Facebook's new layout makes it easier than ever to manage your digital footprint. Here's how you can do it quickly and securely. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main feed, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your page profile photo there. Click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of menu items will appear. Here, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores records of everything you've done on the platform. Likes, comments, posts, and yes, even your searches. Next, look for the section called Your Search History. Depending on the interface, you might see it listed on the sidebar or as a tab within the activity log. Click to open it. This page displays a complete list of everything you've searched for using your Facebook page. Now, to remove your history, look for the option that says Clear Searches. This button is usually at the top right of your search history list. Click on it. A prompt will pop up, asking you to confirm the action, since this deletion can't be undone. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. In just a few seconds, your entire page search history on Facebook will be wiped clean, giving you a fresh start and added peace of mind regarding your privacy. Remember, regularly clearing your search history can help protect your personal information and keep your account tidy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips on managing your online privacy. Thanks for watching.